Hi, Carboorides here. Hi guys, how you doing? This is my brand new Harley-Davidson Lowrider S, and the first modification I'm going to do is change the derby cover bolts. So, roll the intro. So I'll just change one of them at a time. This is a pretty fast job. Torque is set between 90 and 108 pounds. Oh. Is that too hard? I think that's it. Next one right there. Now I know what I forgot. I forgot some Loctite. Where is it? There's the Loctite here. It's hardly any there. Anders. There you go. So the bolts won't fall out. That's number 2. Switch like that. Boom. Next, number 4. Loctite, just a little. Oh, that's good. There you go. This is a pretty fast modification. Very simple. Boom. And number 5. This got to be the fastest modification in history. Loctite, baby. Loctite. Look how clean that looks now. Boom! That's it. Yes, blacked out derby cover. So I'm gonna change all these screws on the motor, almost all of them. Okay, peace out.